Hey guys, Chris again, ClassicVWBugs.com, and what do we have here? Yes, this is not a normal sight in my shop. 1963 356 Porsche is here, and we will be doing an engine install on this vehicle. And as you notice here, the engine is out, but what I want to bring to your attention in this video is engine cardboard set. So you guys know for my Beetle sedan, Beetle convertible, and Carmen Ghia, I make the engine cardboard sets, the waffle pattern that goes in this area. From me putting those out these past few years, I've gotten a lot of requests to put a kit together for Porsches 356 specifically. So the original kits, it looks like it's kind of like a felt material, a felt board kind of. It's kind of thin, but this is the way it looks in an early Porsche, like you see here. So let's come over to my table and I'll show you. Here we go. Here is my waffle pattern. This is my template. 356 Porsche engine cardboard insulation. So we have the engine bay material, also over the tranny material as well. So usually comes in a deluxe kit, like a complete kit. I probably offer 2 kits, maybe one just for the engine bay and then one for the complete kit if you want. So haven't put it to market yet, but just want to let you guys know that for all those Porsche fans out there, I have the waffle engine cardboard set coming to you guys. And I will have this on my website shortly, pricing information and all that. So just wanted to give you a quick video, a quick update on what we're doing. Still staying air-cooled, guys. Pretty damn cool. So it was in high demand. People kept telling me, and even when I went to car shows, when they saw my cardboard set in my Beetle, I'd get some Porsche guys come up to me and tell me, hey, we love the waffle stuff that you got in there. Can you make a set for Porsche? So I think that's what we're gonna do. It makes it stand out. It makes it actually look pretty good in the engine bay. People really like it in Beetle and Carmen Ghia, so we are gonna offer that. So quick video. I know it's kind of short, but I just wanted to get this out there and keep you guys abreast of things. So if you like this content, please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I'll be bringing you VW content like this each and every week. Guys, got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you later.